This video is by request. Thanks y'all for the great requests that really help us a lot. This is about intro to skate parks, or the first time you go to a skate park, you've never been, you don't know anything about it. What do? You know, you
turned around and went home.
First time I went, yeah, it scared me. But like, let's say you don't know how to pump, you don't know how to carve, you haven't even been to the skate park, you're certainly not dropping in yet. What do you do first? What do you know, the first kind of getting your feet wet in the skate park? I would say trying to find little banks like this. This area at this skate park has a lot of little banks.
Little banks like that.
Try to find the mellowest ones you can at first to practice on, and then be really aware. We're gonna move over here because there's a guy coming through this line. But be really aware of, like, well, your surroundings for one thing, but also of your body position. So when we skate at the rink, a lot of times, you know, we're skating along, we're upright, you know, we're dancing to the music. But when we're at the park, we want to stagger our feet, one in front of the other. You choose what feels more natural to you, dropping our butts down, getting low, bending the knees, and being forward with our bodies. That way, when we go down the ramps, we'll be safe when we do it.
We talk about this all the time.
Yeah, and it's really super important also to practice just bending your knees and trying to sit down into cannonball as much as possible. Anytime you can practice doing that, it'll train us for the better position that we need for all sorts of skating.
And I think it's good too, like to film yourself, even if you're a beginner, because sometimes you think you're getting real low in your mind, but until you see yourself on video,
if you
whole
have
different story.
A buddy that can film you, or you can set up your camera on a stand to film you, or prop it up against your shoe. Sometimes I do that, you know, so filming yourself is super helpful. So now I'm going to try to skate down this little bank.
Well, I'm going to get down there and turn around.
All right. So when I come down, my feet are staggered. I'm bending my knees, dropping my butt, and rolling down it.
Staying forward, arms out in front.
How I gather speed doing that. Here's another small bank, good practice. Again, be forward and down, dropping the butt, bending the knees, and moving down.
Yeah, you'd be surprised how much your arms really affect your balance.
Oh yeah, for sure. When you're going forward, arms forward. When you're going back, arms back, you know? So you really want to be aware of that. And be aware also, some of these banks are rather rough.
They have a really abrupt
at the bottom where they meet into the flat.
Yeah.
So when you're dealing with that kind of thing, you almost have to kind of unweight your feet just a bit so you don't hit it. Because I have hit them before and it's no fun.
Yeah, really, you lose your momentum.
Yeah. So now I'm going to try to
do that going up or down. It really helps.
You can, wherever you have to kind of lift your feet just a little to not hit the crack, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to go over this little
Which one are we doing now? Oh, the fun box?
I'm going to lift my feet up at the base going up. I'm going to have to lift my feet up at the base going down. But at first I have to get some momentum to go towards it. So I'm going to skate up towards it.
And always remember too, like what you're going to do after you get down it. Where are you going to go?
So I'm going to get low, drop butt, pick up, over. See the crack? Pick up just a little and down.
Just a little bit.
Low and forward. So those are some of the first things that you want to play with when you get to a skate park. Or you could even be doing this like in a warehouse area where there are some banks and small ramps, or even say in a bank driveway. It's how you can kind of practice getting comfortable with skating on something other than level ground and doing it safely and smoothly. So I hope that helps y'all. Please let us know. Thanks for all the comments, and please like and subscribe.